Whenever you are told to solve integration involving fraction, it is important for you to split the fraction. Okay, in that particular end, it is easy for you to simplify further. These two can be splitted so that the denominator will be the same with the numerator. Okay, so in that instance, I will say solution. So I'll say my integer, my s raised to the power 2 plus 1 plus 1. The 1 plus 1 is what? Is 2, ain't it? Everything over what? S raised to the power 2 plus 1. Everything raised to the power the x. I can put it in brackets if I want. Okay. All right. This can also be splitted to make it easier for us to solve. Okay. So this can be also be written as, let me put my equal sign here. My integral, our s raised to the power 2 plus 1 over s raised to the power 2 plus 1 plus, when it is splitted, 1 over what? S raised to the power 2 plus 1. They are basically the same thing. This and this are what? Are basically the same. Okay? So with that understanding, I can say this cancel this, right? So in that instance, I can easily say my integral, since both numerator and denominator divide themselves, so this is what? 1 plus 1 over what? S raised to the power 2 plus 1. Everything dx. Okay. Obviously, this I can expand further. This dx, you multiply this side and also this side. So in that instance, I'll have my integral 1 times the x is the x. This will a plus. The a times 1 is the x. Let me have my dx here over s square plus 1. Okay. Both of them are basically the same. Okay. So when we want to integrate them, the integral of the x is what? Is x. Okay. These are what are plus. If you want to integrate 1 over s square plus 1, you simply writing tan inverse x cover the s, we're going to have plus c. Okay.